Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a game that you have on your Steam app. Now, it's pretty easy to do, so just follow the video all the way through so you understand. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to head over to the game that you're going to want to go ahead and choose to uninstall. Now, go to your library, select the game. For an example of today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use Black Ops 3 as the example. Now, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little gearbox icon right here that says manage. Click it, then go ahead and click on manage, and then it's going to say right here uninstall. All you got to go ahead and do is just click the uninstall button, and it says right here it would like to uninstall on your device. Now you can proceed through by clicking uninstall. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you can see here that it is currently uninstalling Black Ops 3 from my computer. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. That's how you uninstall video games on Steam. Hopefully you found the video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all for the next video. Thank you guys for watching.